Here we have a Lexus IS 250, and I'll show you how to replace an air conditioning cabin filter. You lower the glove box. You see a plastic cover just popped out like that, and in behind that you'll have this flap, which is the air conditioning recirculation vent. So if you go ahead, turn the ignition on, it's still down, go to the recirc button, notice it open, I'll close it again, open again, turn the ignition off, slide the filter out, go ahead and replace the filter. So I've just popped out the old filter, taking note of the airflow direction, which will be down as the dirt's getting caught in the top. So we've got our new filter, airflow down, sit that in. It's ready to be reinstalled back into the vehicle. Clips home, that's locked in. These tabs here lock the filter into the housing. You can just turn the ignition back on. Confirm the operation of the recirculation vent. And then refit plastic cover. That's it. All done.